Welcome back, YouTube fam. I have been dying to share this video with you guys. It's spooky and magical and gives you all the Halloween feels. If you're a huge fan of Hocus Pocus, this video is for you. We're going to have so much fun today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ashley J. Aaron. I teach decor secrets on how to make everyday life at home Pinterest worthy. My passion is theme decorating and making everything over the top. If you're a returning OG, welcome back. It's so good to see you. All right, fam, without further ado, let the magic begin. You guys, can we take a second for this flannel? I'm obsessed. My sister purchased it, and when she realized it was way too big, she was going to get rid of it, and I said, no ma'am. I loved it so much. She gave it to me. I was so excited. It's like the perfect fall flannel. It is so cold here in Michigan, and it's just super warm and cozy. But if you're an OG follower, you already know it would not be a living room transformation if we didn't switch out the rug first. So I am going to remove my fall ruggable cover and replace it with a super cute, spooky skeleton design. I can't wait for you guys to see it. This design is adorable. There's so many cute Halloween options to choose from. They have fall rugs, they have Christmas rugs. You definitely got to check it out. But I cannot believe, do you guys remember when I was switching out full-size rugs every season just to elevate my decorating? Who was I to think I even had the room for that? Like, seriously, storing full-size rugs in my basement. It was crazy. But now with Ruggable, the top cover, when you fold it up, it's about the size of a blanket, so I can easily store it in my closets, making my holiday decorating that much easier. I also loved when we did the Hocus Pocus 2 party. We had drinks and food on the coffee table because we were all gathered in the living room watching. And if you're familiar with my dogs, they're pretty large even though they're puppies. So they walked past the coffee table and with their big fluffy tail knocked over a cup of coffee. I didn't even blink. And you guys saw the rug that was in here before. It has a lot of cream in it. I didn't even blink. I left it. I soaked up all of the excess and left it till the next morning and threw it in the wash, and the stain came out completely. I was like, how have I lived life before without Ruggable? It is going to make your holiday decorating and entertaining so much easier. Not having to worry about spills during a party, being able to be present and then just focus on it the next day. It has been a serious game changer. You will never have to worry about spills again. Okay, this is so random, but another thing that I love about my Ruggable rug is I work out from home. The girls do gymnastics in the living room, and this rug makes it so perfect to do Pilates and yoga on. I know, so random, but if you work out from home, I feel like you'll understand what I'm talking about. You will love this rug. I just wanted to mention that because I haven't seen anybody else say that. But if you've been debating whether to try Ruggable, now is honestly the perfect time. They make the most beautiful holiday designs that are washable and durable, perfect for entertaining. If you are interested, check out the link in my description box. Use code Ashley10 for 10% off your order. And I want to thank Ruggable for sponsoring today's video. Okay, I wanted to share these with you because I know I'm going to get so many questions. This is the press-on nails that I'm wearing in today's video. The cutest Halloween design. You can get these at Walmart. I love this brand. They make really high quality press-on nails, and I know you guys are going to love these, so I just wanted to share quickly. Run, go to your Walmart, see if you can still grab them to add them to your Halloween costume this year. When I was thinking of what was going to be the theme for this year, I was looking at all of my current fall decor, and if you go back to the beginning of the video, before I switched out the rug, I'm turning on Hocus Pocus 2 right now because during the party I really did not get a chance to watch it. Let me know in the comments down below if you've seen it and what do you think. Anyway, so today's inspiration was I was looking at my house, and with the garland and all of the fall colors, it was giving very Allison's house in Hocus Pocus 1. And I was like, I loved her house, just the vintage style of it and how they just incorporated all of the beautiful fall decor in with all of their Halloween costumes to just make it look very vintage and spooky. So that is what we are going for today. We are still keeping the vibe of Allison's house, but we are adding in some spooky, creepy elements, kind of more like Sanderson Sisters, spooky cottage. So we are going to bring in lots of spider webs and spiders and skeletons, bats. I just love the way that this turned out. I wanted it to still feel warm and cozy because this is where we spend most of our time. And then for the dining room, we went all out, super creepy, definitely more like the witch's cottage. But I wanted to share with you guys what this year's design was. I love the way that it turned out, and you guys will have to let me know what you think. Okay, we went through and added all of the spider webs. I feel like it was just the touch that we needed just to make it look a little spookier and for everything to flow a little bit better. Now we're gonna go through and add the sparkly spiders to the garland and the bats to the wall. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween clean and decorate. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked all of this year's decor, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.